Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video one before you. Today let me introduce you this COMHOMA Office Chair. It's an ergonomic high-back computer desk chair with adjustable headrest, with a flip-up armrest and a lumbar support swivel rocking mesh, with an executive chair in black, or you can also buy it in gray design. We have here an ergonomic office chair. The curve of the backrest is designed to fit human anatomy for a constant ergonomic support during a long time sitting hours. Unlike other chairs with thin layer made of plastic, lumbar support, this chair features a thickened foam support for both elasticity and pressure relief. 6 cm height adjustable lumbar support helps us to find the support that suits our best. And Authoritative Quality Inspection. The SGS Grade-3 Certified Gaslift applied, more stable and safe than the most common desk chairs with Grade 2 gaslift, for example. Unlike these cheaper versions with cheap plastic legs, which are easy to tip and to tilt and to break, this BIFMA tested heavy-duty metal chair legs provide this ergonomic chair with an excellent stability and mobility too. The maximum of load is 150 kilograms, so this fits for me too. And 1 square meter space-saving desk chair. We can flip the arms up and put this office chair under the desk. We're saving around 1 square meter of space in our living room, for example. It's suitable for compact working spaces and home office too. They have thickened the foam padding on the armrest, providing an enhanced elbow support for more comfortable work experience. And supportive high-density cushion. This ergonomic chair is equipped with a premium high-density foam, providing just the right blend of softness and resilience. Unlike, of course, the cheaper chairs on the market, this cushion here won't flatten over time. The curved front and design helps distribute a high pressure, ensuring comfort, even during extended sitting process. And 6 ergonomic adjustments. You experience the full customization on this computer chair with 6 ergonomic adjustments too. 10 cm headrest height adjustable, 30 degrees headrest angle adjustable, 6 cm lumbar support height adjustable, 10 cm seat height adjustable, and 360 degrees chair seat swivel and a 90 degrees flip up armrest. This is nice, and this brings us a big comfort while we have to make a good job in the office, for example. With flip version up and down. 6 cm adjustable support, that means height adjustable or lumbar support. This is soft and resilient. We have there a paddle soft supporter, which we can easy peasy adjust to our needs. And headrest and shoulder support and lumbar support. The adjustable neck support makes a good job. The broad shoulder support makes a basic job. And the 3D curved back support makes a good job for our back. And adjustable lumbar support brings us a good job while we have to work a lot. And this chair is for nearly anyone. 6 cm adjustable lumbar support and 10 cm adjustable seat height. This makes this chair suitable for padded for a big bone. That means from 160 up to 170 centimeter, setting number 1 easy, or you go a little bit bigger, 175 to 180, no problem, it will matches. And here it comes If you're larger, that means 185 up to 190 centimeter, it will fit to your height too, because it is adjustable and easy to use. We have high sensitive foam, not easy to deform or lose support. We have multi-directional casters, no noise, smooth rolling, floor friendly, and an SGS certified gaslift. This passed 120,000 plus lift test with a maximum load of 300 pounds. Enough good facts for a good chair in this price range, of course. This is the COMHOMA Office Chair. It's an ergonomic high-back computer desk chair with adjustable headrest, a flip-up armrest, and lumbar support Swivel rocking dash. And executive chairs in black or in gray as you like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.